how to get Reddit Premium. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get Reddit Premium or how you can get the premium for free. Now if you open up the Reddit application here, you'll get an interface like this. Now first thing what you want to do is you want to make sure you are logged into your account. Now you can get it on the browser as well, but I'll show you here on the application. Now you can see once you're logged in, you'll get an interface like this. You want to simply tap on the profile icon that you'll find at the top right corner of your screen, and once you tap on it, you will get an interface like this. Simply you can see the Reddit Premium option there. You want to simply tap on it, and once you do so here, you'll be able to see the Reddit Premium, and you can see help support Reddit and get VIP treatment and exclusive access, ads-free browsing and avatar gear, members lounge, and custom app icons as well. Now you can see it's 590 IC here. It's currently showing in Indian rupees here, INR for a month, and 5200 INR for a year. Now basically you'll get the currency based on your region. Now since I'm in Asia Pacific, it's showing me here right this. Now how to get it for free, but unfortunately you won't be able to get it for free. You'll have to buy it, and it's the only way to get it. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.